forget to subscribe!
Best friends.
It's snowing. Pororo and Crong are making a snowman together.
Crong. What am I making? It's a secret. I'll tell you when I'm done. Secret? Crong. Yahoo! I'm done! How is it? The snowman.
Pororo made a snowman that looks like Crong. And Crong made a snowman that looks like Pororo.
Wow, that's pretty good. That looks nice, doesn't it? Oh, there's a lot of snow coming down. Let's go in. Let's read some books.
Crong is playing with the dominoes.
Wow, looks fun. Put it down gently. Crong. It fell. Oh, sorry. I told you to put it down gently. Crong. I'll make another one here. Let's start building. Careful. It's all ruined. Crong? You touched me and made me ruin my domino. You should be more careful. I'll start somewhere safer. This should be safe. All right, I can do this. This is nothing. Crong.
Oh no, Pororo's dominoes fell again.
Crong, you. You made my dominoes fall like this. Crong, you.
Pororo and Crong started having a fight.
Stop right there. Where did he hide? Crong? Thought I couldn't find you, huh? Yeah. Ouch! You escaped, did you?
Hi.
What were you two doing? Hi, guys. Where do you think you're going? Stop right there.
You guys, wait a minute.
Wait all you want. Let me try. Hey! Come on. What do you think you're doing? Crong ruined my dominoes.
No, let's all go outside.
Outside?
Come out. Look, your snowman looks so friendly together. Why couldn't you two be more like this? On Poby's words, Pororo and Crong felt bad that they were fighting.
Sorry, Crong. You didn't do that on purpose. I shouldn't have done what I did. Crong, let's not fight anymore. What a happy ending.
That's right. If you try to understand, you wouldn't have a fight with your friends. then everyone can be the best of friends.
Strange games.
One fine sunny day, Pororo and friends went out to the ocean to fish.
Can't seem to get any fish to bite. Let's go try somewhere else. This looks like a nice place. I hope they'll bite this time. I got one. You got a
Oh, there's a shark. Not one bite today.
Are we going to stay here? Let's go back. Wait just a little bit more.
I got one.
Sharks! They're all over the place. What's wrong with them? They're trying to eat us. Oh, is that so? We better get out of here. All right. The ship is being blown.
Come here.
Of all the people, why me? Wait!
Huh?
Can't you spare me? Let's play a game and decide. If we win, we're safe to go. If you win, you can eat us.
A game?
The shark decided to play a game.
Deal.
The player for our side is...
What kind of game?
rock, paper, scissors.
Hmm?
Rock, paper, scissors.
Oh, Pororo won.
We'll be going now. Bye.
Stop! One more game. I'll give you the question and you'll answer. If you're right, you can go. If you're wrong, we'll eat you. Which does the shark like the most? Number 1, polar bear. Number 2, fox. Number 3, penguin.
No, that'll be... Number 1, polar bear.
Wrong answer. The answer is all of the above.
That's not fair.
My game, my rule. Now, since I won...
Pororo and friends are in danger.
I like games. Let me play too.
Game's over. Let go of my mouth, will you?
Sorry.
Oh, my mouth. How dare you do this to me? You asked for it.
Oh, hello.
Don't say hello to me. You again?
Nobody loved riding on the shark. The rest of them couldn't do anything but watch. It would be so nice if Brody and the shark became good friends after this.
Got a cold?
It's morning. There's Poby's house.
Slept well, huh? Oh, that sleepy head. I should wake him. Wake up, Poby. Wake up! It's already morning. Oh! Ouch. Well, at least you got up. Yeah.
Oh, the pepper shaker fell on the floor. Why is the pepper shaker down on the...
We should exercise in the morning.
Yes.
Start your exercise. 1, 2, 3. Ew, it's cold. Poby, aren't you cold?
I'm not cold, but my nose is.
Why do you keep making me fall to the ground?
My nose itches.
Something's wrong. Poby's got a cold. Harry! Huh? Huh? Poby! Hi!
Hi, Petty. What are you doing here so early?
I have a favor to ask you. My dining table broke. I tried to fix it, but... I think Poby's got a cold. He needs to rest.
A cold?
I guess you should rest then.
No, I'm all right. It's not a cold. Let's go and have a look.
Are you sure?
Yes. Poby and Harry went to Petty's house. Here.
Oh, I'll make you some snacks. Wait.
Thanks.
I guess he didn't have a cold.
Done.
Here, I made a special pie for you, Poby and Harry. Try it.
Looks good. I should be going.
Not eating the pie? You must have a cold. We should go back to the house.
I'll be going, Petty.
Bye. Bye. Let's see. Poby! Poby, we were about to play hide and seek. Join us.
Hide and seek? Wow, sounds fun.
Not now. Poby needs to rest for now. He's got a cold.
I don't have a cold.
Hey, let's go back to your house.
Okay.
We'll be going. Okay, bye.
Bye.
Poby got a cold?
What is cold?
It means you're sick, coughing and...
Coughing?
I hope he's not that sick. Oh, I have some medicine at my house. I have some honey at my house. Then let's come back with the medicine we can find. Yes. Maybe you should lie down.
Lie down? But I'm all right.
No, it's best that you take a rest when you're like this.
Poby didn't have a cold, but he lay down on the bed because Harry was worried so much.
Poby, how do you feel?
I'm all right. Come in.
Don't sit up like that. I said he should rest, but he keeps saying he's all right. You don't look so ill.
I'm really all right.
His temperature is normal. Then, let's see. His breathing is all right. Poby has a cold. Is that so? Loopy, do you have it ready? Here. And this is the best way to cure a cold.
Wait, I don't have a cold. Don't.
Poby, it'll be over in a minute.
Please.
I'll make it quick.
Poby ran out of the house.
Poby!
Pororo and friends chased after Poby. Look at Poby run. He must be right about not having a cold.